Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Prepare to fall in love with this extremely generously sized and well proportioned 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom villa style home in the heart of Tripoli, Runaway Bay, boasting a master bedroom area to feel free with ensuite bathroom, which is separated into a bath, jacuzzi, shower area, and toilet, bidet, and is and hers wash hand basins with a large walk-in closet and separate dressing room leading out onto a welcoming private grilled veranda. You just won't want to leave your bedroom. With two more generously sized bedrooms on the main floor, both with full ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets, a powder room, pantry, chef-style kitchen, big enough for 2 or 3 cooks at the same time, with a gas top stove in the center of the island. This is a great space to show off your best culinary skills, then graciously serve in the dining area. When it is time to relax, there is a generously sized open living space, big enough for all of the family plus guests. The land area of this house is 17,968 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £450,000 or US $587,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.